Guys, pray for my roommates. Guys, pray for my roommates. Do prayer now as I'm saying it. Start praying. Now. Because
the devil struck, but
God did.
God did it.
My roommate has something on her body. Enemies, they want to destroy her beauty, but God said it's a lie.
It's a lie. The devil is a what?
A liar.
A liar.
So please, start praying now for my roommates. May our body do number. As you can see, we are twinning with our earrings.
Yeah, we're just different colors.
It's a flex. Anyways, bye-bye. Umbrella again. Annyeong, guys. As you can see, my roommate is smiling today. Your prayers have been working small.
Yeah, working. Okay.
1 carton of Coca-Cola for everybody. Guys, today is what? Tuesday. Now look at my glasses. I look like a butterfly. Fly. Well, guys, you would think we are serious today that we are going out like this is a lie. We are going to go.
I'm serious.
Who does you? We are going to go and charge in the library. See?
This is what Nigeria has turned us to.
Do you get? There's no fucking light anywhere. So we are going to go and charge in the library. And we also have some other plans. So I don't know, maybe I'll try to take you guys along today. Because last week's vlog, somebody said it was short. So let's see if we can make this week's vlog longer. Because I literally don't have anywhere to go. And I can't be vlogging myself inside the room just looking at your faces like, as if I have something to say. So let's see how this week is going to be. And that is why I'm talking more, because I'm trying to make this video longer. It's just a minute since morning. Anyways, let's go. Bye. So apparently, guys, the gist is this. So basically, the purpose of coming will still be fulfilled. We'll just leave that because right now there's no light. So we'll keep on maybe like 11 or 12. Ask actually have to go out. So if she can do what she wants to do now, we'll just drop our phone and go out. By the time we are back, we'll understand what's true. So yeah, I'm just here looking pretty and she's sulky right now. She's sulky. So I should send money to my room so that two of us will be able to, we'll not be stranded to sell us. Anything you want to say for yourself? what happened just like now. So my roommate and I, we left the library. We were on our way back to our hostel, and then all of a sudden, we saw this bike. We saw this bike. There were 3 people on the bike. We were laughing at one of them because it was wearing something I don't understand. We were like, what is this one wearing? We were laughing at him. Only for the bike to stop, and we saw one of them carrying a camera. I was not telling my roommate that they are coming to make videos of you. They are coming to interview you. Like jokingly. Like I was literally joking when I said that. And lo and behold, they literally brought camera. They brought camera and they were like, oh, hi, my name is so and so. We love to make videos of you. I've forgotten his name. Like we love to make videos of us. Of like you would love to do a small content. We're like, what kind of content? We're like, we just ask us, do you want 2K or do you want a cinematic video? My roommate had already planned as me. I would say I want video. She wants 2K. And immediately point camera at me. I said 2K. I am broke. I am broke. I said 2K, so they gave me the 2K. My roommate was like, cinematic video. When did that finish? My friend was like, oh no, she doesn't want to do the video. That she doesn't want to do the video. That she wants me to do the video. That we should do it again. Then I did it again. That do you want 2K or video? And I said video. She now said 2K. Then I gave her the 2K. In conclusion, she collected 2K. I collected 2K. I ate my cake and I had it. When they say you cannot eat your cake and have it, it's a lie because she just ate my cake and I had it again. Like, so don't worry. The video I'll post the video will be on my. I'll post it on my TikTok and probably include it in this vlog if I see it before Sunday. So that's literally what happened right now. So we are 2K rich because we were literally like wondering where we'll get money for. Like we're so flipping broke, guys. But we thank God now we can go and buy cold drink in peace and not in pieces. Let me show you the face of. Look at the corporate's face. So yeah, that's basically what happened right now. So evidence. So I'm 2K. I wish they would say, do you want 10K or a video? I will not do video. Give me the 10K. I don't want to share this. I don't want to share these dollars.
2K, she's still slimy.
You know how broke I broke. It's because you are not broke. If you are broke, you will not take of anything apart from money. The only thing about brain is money. But yeah, they made the video like it was as if I was doing a proper video shoot. It was not actually stressful, but it was just a lot to do basically. So right now we're going to go buy our drink. I will not cook stew because we bought tomato and pepper. The thought of cooking the stew safe. Take your medicine now. Take your medicine now.
Because of the heat. Let's even remove the pepper. What you show you?
Take your medicine. I will remove the pepper. Take your medicine. Don't hear any pepper. Anyways, yeah. Say 1 by 1 is a 2 by 2. I say 1 by 1 is a 2 by 2.
Give them something to talk about you.
Hi. Oh god, I basically just came here to just rant or crash out because I'm so stressed. Oh god, I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed. Like my head, a lot is going on in my head. I have a lot of deadlines to meet, guys. I have a lot of deadlines, and every single one of them involves money. I'm so stressed in advance. Between now and Sunday, I have to finish my report and submit early in the morning on Monday morning. They just sent the template this evening. On what the fuck is wrong with this camera? Fucking stay one place. I'm not even in the mood for the rubbish you're doing. Then I have practicals on Monday also. I I have to do my internship registration, payment, all those things. That's same before that Tuesday also. I have orientation to attend that same Tuesday. I have to prepare for my seminar, create the slide, practice it, and present it. Same next week. That same next week. I have so many things to do. I'm so stressed. Everything involves money. I don't know. Like my head is hot. And let's not even talk about PCOS right now, because PCOS is not even helping my matter at all. Because I want to crash out so bad. It is what it is. Ania Yorobun. Oh my goodness. I just go back for where? Let me tell you. So I'm in my father's house. Obviously, once you can see his background, you know I'm in my father's house. So yeah. Oh God, I'll be fine, babe. Sha. I went to, I was ranting. I wanted to crash out yesterday but I did not even have the energy to crash out. Anyways, I just want to show you guys that I've done the one thing that was stressing me out. I've done it. One of them, just one out of, is it 5 things? And this is it. This is it. This is the report for the field trips that I've been going to since last year. Finally, we are done with it. One thing is out of my stress box. Yeah. Me and my friend. Me and my twin go best friend. Then this was at IFCA. Then there's another picture that I actually really like. Where is it? It's a picture of the water. Sorry, it's in my camera. Just social media, the quality of the videos and then the last parts. Anyways, guys, that's what I went to do today, and I have achieved my goal and my aim, and I've not eaten today, so I need to. God, I'm fine. Damn. So I use this to cover my head. Can you see that my skin color is still maintained? If I had gone out under the sun, look, the sun would have burnt me. I would have been looking like fried fish right now. And I don't even have sunscreen yet. Even if I have sunscreen, that does not mean I should be walking up and down under the sun. Anyways, done with my report for my industrial visit. I'm going to submit it tomorrow so that the rep can submit it together on Monday, because I can't be looking for no rep. up and down, so I'm just going to give her so that she can, I love waist beats and waist chains. Like it's obvious already. So she can, submit. Yeah. So that's basically what I came to. Information I came to give you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. If you've watched to this moment, you have the whole of my heart, not the bottom, not the top, not the center, every part of my heart. I love you so much. Please keep on supporting this cutie, and because I can't wait for us to like actually blow, like make it on social media. Then I'll start saying, oh, my gems are the ones that brought me here. I would not have been here without my gems. You know, those kind of statements now, those cutesy statements. But thank you so much. I really appreciate you always watching my video. There's someone that's always leaving your comments under my vlogs and my shorts. Like, thank you so much. To the person, like, thank you so much. I really appreciate your comments. Your comments mean a lot to me. And let's meet same time next week. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok at justjeme_. Thank you so much in advance. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week. Turn on your post notification, like, comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you next week. Bye.